Hello, everyone. This is Rocket Jet Matrix. How's it going? How's it going? So, anyways, goodbye, old bed. It's gone. It's going away. Throw it in the trash. Nope. It's crap. Anyways, so we had a hard time. We actually had to take the door off. So, yep, gotta wash my sheets. So we had to get through here to go up my steps. And I had to kept telling my dad I had to turn it on an angle, but he wouldn't listen to me. So then had to open up the attic door. X around. So as you can see, everything is pushed out of the way. Yep, vacuuming. There's all my stuff. And there is the new bed. Yeah, there's the new bed. So, I tell you what, I feel like when I stand up here, or sit here, I need a step stool. So, once I get all my sheets and everything on, so I'll be able to sleep good tonight. Get everything taken care of. Oop, gotta wash that blanket. So, anyways, well, that's it. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, share, and keep on stomping. And Margie TV, shout out. Oh yeah, you know what? I don't know if you saw this, but I also did one for my mom. Yep. And over there, I got one for my dad. No, not the girl, silly. Don't look at the girl. Nope. So that's it. I got some organizing to do, and that's my bed. I'll show you what the bed looks like when it's finished, put together. No, I did not make the bed. We just bought it at a store. So that's it. What a pain. Yep. It was a pain, but no gain. Yes, there was a lot of gain. Oh yeah, I got my mom some more birdseed stuff. Well, if you watched my last year's Christmas stuff, like Fitness with Meg, I'm sure you remember. I got this stuff for my mom. And I got a whole bunch more. Yes, I do. No, you can't eat this. It's not food. See that? That's a bird. Birds eat it, not people. You say suet cakes. No, it's for birdies. Unless you become a bird, then you can have it. See? Yes, unless you become a bird, then you can have it. And there's a red one. There you go. There's your cardinal. Yeah, Carl Robinson, see? Anyways, that's it. See you in the next upload. I got to unload my stuff. Oh no, put them back, put it away. Put it away. Put it away. Yes. And I love you. You know who you are. So that's it. Thank you. Bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe and give me the thumbs up. Size is limited. That's what they say. Where am I? I'm right here. Hello. Goodbye.